Hi, Martin here with another video, and today's one for all the teachers out there as I'm going to show you how you can create a marking rubric using ChatGPT and AI. So let's get started. So here I am with ChatGPT. If you're unfamiliar with it, then I will link my intro video below, which goes through what it is and then how you can get started. So when we've got ChatGPT open, we're going to use the chat box at the bottom to type in our request for a rubric. And I'm going to split this into three sections. So I'm going to do the initial requests and marks out of, the task and the year group, and then the curriculum that I would like it based on. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and start by asking it to create a rubric out of 10. For an app created in Swift UI by year 10 students. And I'm going to say based on the WA curriculum. So that last part there I've put as the WA curriculum because I'm based in West Australia. So we've got create a rubric out of 10 for an app created in Swift UI by year 10 students based on the WA curriculum. So let's go ahead and click to start that request. So you can see it's splitting it up into different criteria. So we've got functionality, user interface, creativity, usefulness, and code quality. Now, that's pretty good. I've got the points, I've got the criteria, and I've got a little description of each criteria as well. So quite impressive for something that's been done in around about 10 seconds. So it's good, but I think that we can do this better. And it's remembering that ChatGPT is a chatbot, so you can continue on this conversation. It's not a search engine where you have to stop and make a new search. So what I'm going to do is say, can you put this into a table? So we know most of the time if we're creating a rubric for students, then we want those marks in a table. Okay, that's pretty good. I've got the criteria and I've got the points. I actually quite like the descriptions here. So I'm going to say, can you include the criteria descriptions in the table? And I'm going to put that one in as well. So we now have a rubric which has the criteria, the description, and the points available, which, let's be honest, that's kind of impressive. And you can essentially now take that, copy it, paste it, edit it for your needs, and then it's ready to use for your class. So as with anything that we make with ChatGPT, experiment with the language and the detail that you use. So for example, if I go back and make a similar request, but I could say create a 3-line rubric out of 15 for an app created in Swift UI by year 10 students based on the WA curriculum, and do that search. Okay, so I've just added in that extra kind of little bit of information by creating a 3-line. Okay, so maybe I don't want all those different criterias. I can say again, can you put this into a table format? So hopefully you can see, find the language that works particularly for your subject, and then play around with, how many lines do you want your rubric, what marks do you want it to be out of. But it's such a great way of kind of saving you time. Okay, yes, you'll download it, you might need to make a few edits, but it's certainly a lot quicker and easier than starting from just a completely blank screen. So there you have it. I hope it's been useful. That's how you create a rubric using AI and ChatGPT. So if it has been useful, please give the video a like, maybe comment below for anything else you'd like to see, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.